I'm going to be sharing with you in this video one of the biggest secrets to the law of attraction that will actually allow you to manifest what you want into your existence in a much faster way. Because a lot of the times what we do is we self-sabotage our manifestations without even realizing that we're doing this to ourselves. So we have this manifestation that we're trying to manifest, and what we'll do is we'll slow down the progress of our manifestation unconsciously, because the mind and the ego actually gets in the way of the manifestation without us even realizing it. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the biggest secrets to the law of attraction that will allow you to manifest what you want into your life in a much faster way and remove all the blocks that the mind and the ego tries to create that stops us from manifesting what we want. So if you're new to this channel, what I want you to do is to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I do post a new video every single day. Also, if you want to work with me personally one-on-one, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation. So what you got to realize is that the law of attraction is not supposed to be a difficult process. It's supposed to be relatively simple, but what happens is that the mind and the ego tries to creep in through the back door and actually slow down the entire manifestation process. And this is totally normal because the ego kind of doesn't want us to grow, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to deal with that. And so I'm just going to give it to you straight. One of the biggest secrets to the law of attraction is learning to trust the universe. Learning to trust everything, not just the universe, but who you are. It's just trust. And I'm going to be sharing with you certain things in this video to trust, certain individual things that we don't trust, but in general, the secret is trust. Because when you lack trust, that's when the mind gets in the way. When you lack surrender, that's when the ego gets in the way. If you look at a lot of problems when it comes to manifesting, it almost always can be led down to a lack of trust in something, a lack of trust in yourself or a person or the universe. Because when we truly have faith, when we truly trust, when we truly know that the manifestation is coming no matter what, then it is. And when we lose that trust, that's when the manifestation energetically gets blocked. The key to manifesting is about having that sense of trust and knowing that it's all going to work out. And the thing is, that trust is what energetically actually aligns you with that thing that you want to create. Without the trust, there's a different energy in your system. It's like the trust actually energetically puts you in a vibration that then aligns you with something that you want to create that you otherwise would not have been aligned with had you not trusted the process. I'll give you an example. Let's say you're trying to manifest a house and you keep looking for that house, but you keep finding the wrong house. And then at some point you lose trust. You're thinking, am I really going to manifest that house? You lose trust, you lose faith. Now, the moment that you lose that trust and you lose that faith, that's when you're energetically blocking that house that you desire. Versus if you keep looking, you keep knowing that it's coming, you keep trusting the process no matter what happens in your external. And here's the thing, there's going to be points where it's extremely hard for you to trust because everything in the universe is telling you in the external world that it's not coming. And that's when you need to trust even harder. And this is the secret to the law of attraction, is no matter what happens in the external world, you maintain your level of trust. And the first thing you can do is learn to trust the universe. Learn to trust the universe. And this is the more esoteric one, but you are the universe. You're not technically separate from the universe. So what you're really doing is you're trusting yourself. But at the same time, in my experience, I found that there's something much deeper going on here than our egos. Okay, I've seen synchronicities. You've probably seen synchronicities too. If you're following this community, you're following this channel, you're in this community, you got to understand that the ego is so limited. Okay, the mind is such a barrier. And when you're just trusting the universe and trusting that the divine will bring you what you want, it's going to bring you what you want, but you have to actually trust. You have to actually trust. You can't just pretend to trust. You have to actually let go and trust. It's like, Francis, how do I do that? It's going to be different for each person. For me, trusting is just about meditating and going within myself and continually going after what I want, no matter what I see in the external. No matter what happens in the external, I continue to know and believe that the best case scenario is working out for me, and everything in the universe is aligning to create what it is that I want. It's like no matter what I see, I think to myself, yeah, that's happening in my favor. The universe is bringing me what I want. Of course, something goes wrong, that happens, like my belief system is like, oh, that happened for a reason. And then so it does happen for a reason because that's my belief system. And what I found is that when my energy gets higher and I do more meditation, automatically I start having certain belief systems where I trust the universe more. So one of the things you can do is actually to raise your vibration doing something like a meditation habit, and you'll automatically start to have better thoughts and better belief systems around trusting the universe. And another thing you can do is learn to trust yourself, because what a lot of people don't realize in manifestation is that this is about you not just sitting around and meditating, but actually creating that thing that you want, which can require action sometimes, depending on how big the manifestation is. For my manifestations, action is absolutely needed. And a lot of people don't want to take actions, and I'm not saying that it has to be hard. I'm just saying it can be inspired and effortless actions, but you have to learn to trust yourself. You have to learn to trust yourself. You have to learn to know that you have the ability to create what you want. Like when I was dropping out of school, I actually thought to myself, I can actually create what I want. I didn't have the skill sets at the time, but I trusted myself enough to know that I could create what I wanted. And now I'm in alignment to create that. And I'm not saying that to show off. I'm just saying that I had trust in myself, and I'm not special. Like I'm not some special human being. You're just as special as me, and every single human is just as special. And if you're on this channel, you probably have abilities that you're devaluing. Like I had this issue when I started working with my mentors. I didn't realize the value that I brought to the world. I didn't realize how much I could really impact people and really go after what I wanted. And you got to understand that you have to learn to trust yourself. You have to. If you can't trust yourself, how are you going to manifest something? And how is anybody going to trust you? You got to learn to trust yourself. You got to learn to trust in your ability to manifest. You got to learn to trust the universe. That's the secret to the law of attraction, is having an unwavering faith. They talk about this in Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You have to have an unwavering faith, trust, believe, know. Francis, how do I do that? Sometimes, for me, again, what I do for myself personally is if I lack trust in myself, if I start to doubt, I pull my energy in and I start to do things like meditation. Because if I'm too lost in the external world, I can't personally manifest and have confidence in myself. It's impossible. Like if something really, really starts to go wrong, I can't just tell myself everything happens for a reason, because my energy is too low. So I actually have to raise my energy up and start to pull my energy in, tap back into my feminine side, and do more things like meditation, going for walks, slowing down my life a little bit. And then I start to believe, yeah, my manifestation's coming. Everything happens for a reason. And it's like, you know that it happens for a reason when you're in that high energy state. So learning to trust yourself is huge, absolutely huge. If you can't truly trust yourself and trust that you can create what you want, it's going to be a lot harder for you to manifest. And what you got to understand is that you also, another thing that I found in my experience that's very critical to manifest, it's another part of trust, is learning to trust other people. If you can't learn to trust other people, you got to realize people open doors. My mentor was one of the gateways to bring me closer to what I want to manifest, and I had full trust in him because I actually trusted myself to some degree. I trusted myself, then I learned to trust other people because I trusted myself. If you can't trust yourself and also other people, if you have trust issues with yourself and the universe and other people, that's going to be a serious manifestation block. Like absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. One of the biggest manifestation blocks, lack of trust. Francis, lack of trust in what? Lack of trust in the universe. Lack of trust in yourself. Lack of trust in other people. This is going to actually block you. This is going to block you from manifesting what you want. Because this is not about just full trust and being illogical. It's about taking that next logical step, but then trusting the entire process. Like, take me as an example. I've been recording a video every single day for the last 8 months. And I'm not saying that to show off, but I don't have it all figured out. I just take the next logical step, which is record the next video, record the next video, record the next video, take the next call with the client, keep doing what I want to do, connect with that person. I just keep going after what I want. I take the next logical step, but I have a trust in the process that it's all working out for my highest good. And it is, because I believe that. I truly believe that. I see that. I know that the universe is working in my favor. I know that I'm being supported and guided on this journey, and that's my reality. And the question is, what reality are you going to create for yourself? Are you going to create a reality where you're supported, where you're guided, where everything's working out for you? Are you going to create a reality where you're a victim, where, why is this happening to me? Nothing is working out in my favor. Nothing is actually supporting me. Everything is going against me. That's a reality you can create. You can create that reality if you want, or I invite you to take the next logical step and know and believe in your heart that everything is perfectly aligning for you right now. Even if it seems like something is not happening in the way that is making sense, and it doesn't make logical sense, it's almost like the universe is disproving that the manifestation is coming. That's not true. But here's the thing. If you believe that it's true, then it is. Because you create your reality. This is one of the biggest insights that I've had. You create your reality. If you start to lack trust, then you just created a manifestation block. Think about this. If you're about to manifest something, and then you stop trusting at the last moment, what if you were just about to manifest that thing and now you lack trust and you just lost it? Happens to a lot of people. They're about to get to the next level, and then it's like, okay, Francis, you know what? Like, I trusted for a year, I trusted for 2 years, but like, it's not like now I can't trust anymore. That's right when you're about to manifest. You gotta understand, when you really don't want to trust, when you really don't want to trust in yourself, when you really want to give up, when you really want to not do anything anymore, when you really want to stop trusting, that's when you need the trust the most. And that's going to be the difference between who manifests and who doesn't. And that is one of the biggest secrets of law of attraction that people don't tell you. It's just a trust. You can use affirmations, you can use energy, you can raise your vibration. It's all 100% valid and true. But you have to learn to trust. You have to learn to trust. If you just trust, if you have a powerful level of trust but a not so good strategy, it's like you're doing strategies, you have maybe certain ideas and logics, a certain logical understanding of how to manifest something. Let's say your logic is totally out of whack, but your trust levels are extremely high. The person that trusts is going to have a much higher probability of manifesting what they want, versus the person that has the best strategy but has no trust in themselves. If I give you the exact strategy to manifest what you want, I give you A to Z, here's the exact steps, here's how you manifest, but you don't trust me and you don't trust yourself, do you see how that would block your manifestation? Because literally, there's going to be the universe throwing signs at you, telling you how to manifest, and then there you are. It's like, oh, I don't trust that person. Why would I trust that person? He's not going to help me manifest. Oh, I don't trust the universe. That's not going to help me manifest. And then you're blocking it. You're blocking the manifestation. It's like, there could be somebody handing the exact strategy to you to manifest on a silver platter, but because you don't trust that person, because you don't trust yourself and you don't trust the universe, you've completely blocked the exact path that you needed to manifest what you want into existence. Isn't that insane? You literally can block it energetically just because you didn't trust that person, because your perception blocked the strategy. The strategy was there, but you blocked it. And that's extremely powerful to understand. If you just learn to trust, your manifestations will get to the next level. Okay? If you learn to trust yourself, if you learn to trust the universe, if you learn to trust other people, watch the miracles and the magic that is going to happen in your life. And that is one of the biggest secrets to the law of attraction. If you apply this secret, you're going to manifest what you want in a much faster way. And so that's all I have for this video. Once again, if you want to work with me personally one-on-one, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation. Have yourself a great day as always, and I'll see you in the next video.